Hello everyone, how are you doing today? In this video, I'm going to speak about me, about my family, and a little bit about my dreams. I'm Christopher Hugo de Araújo, but everybody call me Chris. I'm an Aryan. My birthday is on April 2nd, and I am 23 years old. I was born in Londrina, Paraná, but I'm living in São Carlos for about 4 years. I live with my parents Rita and Wilson, with my sister Thais, and my nephew Cesar. He is 6 months. He is a cute baby. We live together in a Giuseppe Broggio street. I love animals. I have 2 dogs. Their names are Peter and Juninho, and I have 1 cat too. Her name is Pandora. And my father has 1 bird. Her name is Bird. Everybody called him this way. He is a Calopsita. I like doing activities daily. I like sports, to play basketball, to play volleyball and swimming too. I started to go to the gym in the last month and I'm adored to president. I am a big dreamer and I have a lot of dreams. The first one was studying in a university, and in this semester I am studying company management on FATEC, a technology university. The second one is know other country and culture. I like meeting people and have contact with. I want to do an international trip too, which can be to study, vacation or work. I want to have a beautiful family because I guess nobody's happy alone. I want to be a successful professional in my career too. As I am a persistent person, I will make it through all my plans and dreams. In my free time, I like listening my favorite songs. At the moment is Home by Gabriela Appian. Watch series too, like Grey's Anatomy, and to hang out with my friends. So, this is a little bit about me. For more information, you can check my CV or contact me by my cell phone or my email included in the description. Take care, bye bye.